Hey guys, welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero. It's a new school year, so we're doing a sale of our Ultimate Bundle. It's a 3-day sale. As you know, the Ultimate Bundle contains all of our courses from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. These video courses can be purchased individually or as a part of a bundle. Once you buy them, you own them forever. There won't be any recurring subscription fees. The Ultimate Bundle from HSK 1 to 6 contains roughly 800 videos. The regular pricing for this is $179 US, but now it'll be 30% off, which is $125 US or 850 renminbi. All you have to do is click the link in the description and it'll take you to our courses page on our website and purchase the Ultimate Bundle at checkout. Just use the coupon code ULTIMATE125Y. ULTIMATE125Y. After entering this code, you'll get 30% off. Again, this is a 3-day sale, so this will end on September 15th at noon, China Standard Time. September 15th at noon. So if you don't own the Ultimate Bundle, there's no better time than now. Once again, thank you for all the continuous support, watching our videos and subscribing to our channel and sharing our videos. And hopefully, we'll see you in the course.